Understanding Insurance Quote, a simple guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in the financial world, insurance quote. Whether you're managing your finances or just curious about English terms, understanding this phrase is crucial. So, let's dive in. An insurance quote is an estimate given by an insurance company detailing how much you'll have to pay for an insurance policy. It's like a price tag, but for insurance. The quote is calculated based on information you provide about what you want to insure, be it your car, home, health, or something else. To get a quote, you'll need to provide certain details. For a car insurance quote, for instance, you'd give information about your car's make and model, your driving history, and how often you drive. The insurance company uses this data to assess risk and calculate your premium. Remember, more risk usually means a higher quote. Different insurance companies have different ways of assessing risk and setting prices. That's why it's important to shop around and get quotes from multiple companies. This way, you can compare and find the best coverage at the most affordable price. A quote typically includes the premium, which is the cost you pay for coverage, and the deductible, which is what you pay out of pocket before the insurance kicks in. It's important to understand these terms to make an informed decision. A key point to remember is that a quote is not a contract. It's just an estimate. The actual price of your policy might change once the insurance company has all your details. A quote is a starting point for negotiations. And there you have it. Understanding an insurance quote is a step towards being financially savvy. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.